Hi, in this video we will see Epson Perfection V39 II driver software. The software was installed and it was not working. I have done many things like service changes and restarting and all other things I have done. Many times I have restarted services, but there is nothing changed. And I have done the installation of driver manually. It has taken more time. This video is running in very fast manner, but it has taken more time. But even though it was not working. Finally, cannot communicate with the scanner. The same message will come. I have installed the software from the website. Just I went to V39, then I have done the setup by following the instructions which was given. But at this stage it is not connecting. Error is coming. The mistake is trivial. It is very trivial. Epson Perfection V39 II. I did not notice this. I have installed Epson Perfection V39. So I have uninstalled all the things what I have installed already. Epson Perfection V39 II. Just downloading these things, following all the instructions, and now it is connecting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Like and comment and share to your friends.